Today, we are going to learn how to ask for the time in French and then how to respond to these questions. This is Elnaz. I'm a polyglot. Welcome to my channel. Let's begin. Okay, how to ask for the time in French? There are several ways to ask for the time, but the two most important ones are please repeat after me. Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? Il est quelle heure? Il est quelle heure? Quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? Il est quelle heure? Il est quelle heure? Please, faites attention. Be careful here. The word heure, which means hour, is feminine, so we use a quelle with double L. Quelle with double L, because heure, which means hour, is feminine. Okay, now, how to respond to these questions? Before learning how to respond, you must know the numbers in French. Without knowing them, it's not possible to tell the time. But don't worry, if you don't know them yet, watch the video on my channel to learn how to count up to 100. You can find the video in the link below. The structure is very simple. Il plus est plus heure plus minute. Like, exemple, il est 10 heures. Il est 10 heures. It's 10 o'clock. Il est 5 heures. It's 5 o'clock. Il est 6 heures. It's 6 o'clock. Il est 3 heures. It's 3 o'clock. So it's very simple. And if you want to add the minutes, you should add after that. Like, il est 10 heures 10. Il est 10 heures 20. Il est 10 heures et quart. Il est 10 heures et demi. Il est 10 heures 30. Il est 10 heures 40. Il est 10 heures 50. So it's very simple. Il est the number, heure, and after that the minutes. Il est 10 heures et quart. Il est 10 heures et quart. Quart here means a quarter, 15 minutes. So, il est 10 heures et quart means it's 10 o'clock and 15 minutes. For this word, quart, we should add e. Il est 10 heures et quart. It's rule. Il est 10 heures et quart. Il est 10 heures et demi. Demi here means half or 30 minutes. So, il est 10 heures et demi, which means it's 10 o'clock and half. It's 10 o'clock and 30 minutes. It's 10:30. And for demi, here we also add e. Il est 10 heures et demi. Il est 10 heures et quart. But here, for better pronunciation, we can say il est 10 heures et demi. Il est 10 heures moins le quart. Faites attention. Be careful. Here, il est 10 heures moins le quart. Quart, still 15 minutes, a quarter. So, moins le quart, which means 15 minutes to 10 o'clock. So, it's not still 10 o'clock. We have 15 minutes to 10 o'clock. It's 9:45. Il est 10 heures moins le quart. We use moins plus le plus quart. Here only for quart we use the article le. But when we want to add quart, it's like 10:15, we only say il est 10h15 without the article. Now, to specify the time, we use these words. Du matin, in the morning, l'après-midi, in the afternoon, du soir, in the evening. Examples. Exemple, il est 10h du matin. Il est 10h du matin. It's 10 a.m. Il est 10h du soir. Il est 10h du soir. It's 10 p.m. We also have midi, which means noon, and minuit, which means midnight. Please repeat after me. Maintenant, s'il vous plaît, répétez après moi. Quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? Il est quelle heure? Il est quelle heure? Il est 3h15. Il est 3h15. Il est 4h30. Il est 4h30. Il est 7h moins 10. Il est 7h moins 10. Il est midi. Il est midi. Il est minuit. Il est minuit. Il est 9h du soir. Il est 9h du soir. Thank you 1,000 times for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Ciao.